7 home remedies for foot odor. Hey everyone, Rob here from Remedies and Cider, and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you 7 home remedies for foot odor. So without further ado, if you're ready, let's go. Foot odor isn't something we like to talk about, but it's just a reality of life. And as we spend most of our time on our feet are bound to sweat. Sweating is nothing to be ashamed of, but the smell actually comes from the sweat. You see, foot odor is caused by bacteria that is present on your feet. So if you're struggling with foot odor, here are 7 home remedies that are guaranteed to get rid of the odor. Number 1, soak in a black tea foot bath. Tannic acids in strong black tea will kill odor-causing bacteria and close the pores. This will help your feet sweat less. For this remedy, simply boil 2 tea bags of black tea in a pint of water for 15 minutes. Then remove the bags and dilute the tea with 2 more quarts of water. Then let the mixture cool and then soak your feet in the black tea for 15 to 30 minutes. Or you can take a cotton pad and wipe your feet down with the black tea. This will help kill the foot odor causing bacteria. And you can repeat this daily until the foot odor is gone. Number 2, Lavender Essential Oil. Lavender oil not only smells good, but it helps kill bacteria as well. For this home remedy, you want to rub a few drops of lavender essential oil on your feet and massage it in before you go to bed at night. After you're done massaging the oil on your feet, you want to make sure and you wear socks for the full benefit. Number 3, antibiotic ointment. Sweat on its own doesn't really smell. It will only start to smell when the sweat interacts with the bacteria. So how do you kill the bacteria that are on your feet? Well, this is where the antibacterial ointment comes into play. Simply rub and coat your feet with antibacterial ointment like Neosporin. Now, I know this isn't really a home remedy or natural remedy, but after doing this, it works really well, and make sure you put some socks on. And in the morning, the bacteria will be gone along with your foot odor problems. Number 4, zinc. Some experts suggest that adding zinc to your diet can help eliminate foot odor. And you may have zinc already laying around in your pantry. Some of the top minerals include seafood, beef, spinach, beans, oatmeal, and breakfast cereals. Plus, other foods like mushrooms, almonds, and cashews are a great source of getting zinc. And don't forget about dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is a fantastic source for zinc, and it tastes good. Number 5, apple cider vinegar. For this remedy, simply soak your feet in a solution of about 1/3 of a cup of apple cider vinegar in a foot basin of warm or cold water. And if you're wondering how this works, it's simple. The acid from the apple cider vinegar will help neutralize the odor and help to kill the bacteria. Number 6, dust on some cornstarch. Cornstarch will help absorb sweat and help keep your feet feeling fresh and dry. For this remedy, simply once a day, sprinkle a little cornstarch on your socks or on your feet before putting on your shoes. You can also try dusting your feet and shoes with some baking soda. This is also known to kill bacteria and fungus. And number 7, salt your dogs. Epsom salts act as an astringent to reduce sweating and help kill bacteria. For this remedy, mix 2 cups of Epsom salts in 1 to 2 gallons of warm water in a bucket or a basin. And then soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes in the Epsom salt bath twice a day. And one thing I want you to notice is the common denominator here with all of these home remedies is simply to stop your feet from sweating and help keep them dry, which will kill the bacteria. Okay, well, that's all I got for today, and I hope you enjoyed today's video on 7 home remedies for foot odor. Now, if you haven't already, click the link in the description and or the pinned comment and head on over to our blog where you can get your free A to Z complete home remedy guide with over 2,000 plus homemade and natural remedies. It's 100% free, and I know you're going to enjoy it. So if you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends, as this helps us out a lot here at Remedies Insider, and it also helps us with the YouTube algorithm. And please, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and tick that bell notification so you can be notified when I release a video. I am uploading 3 videos a week now. And if you made it this far, I want to say thank you very much. I appreciate it. I'm Rob from Remedies Insider. Have a great day or night. Take care and God bless.